Hey everybody, it's Ryan. Welcome back. Welcome to the investing channel. In this video, we're going to take a look at Vechain. One of my viewers had asked for me to do a price prediction on it, so I'm going to do it. We'll take a look at the charts. We'll jump onto TradingView. We'll look at the chart. We'll see if it's where it's going. Is it going down more? Is it going up? Could it reach certain levels? I see some profit potential there, so I'm going to share with you guys that. But for those of you guys that are new, that's what I do. I jump into trades. I let you guys know what my entry point is and what my exit point is. And more often than not, price action will usually swing back up and touch my exit point, okay? And I'm going to share with you guys that, and so you guys can actually see it in action. And you're probably going to want to subscribe in a minute, okay? So we'll go ahead and we will get started. Also, my kitchen's almost done. I know in the prior videos, I've shown you guys a little bit of the work that's been going on in the house here. It's not this house, but it's this house. And I'll share with you guys what it's starting to look like. We've got some more people coming in here in about an hour to do the plumbing and put the appliances back. So I'll share that with you guys. Okay, let me share my screen with you guys and we'll keep moving. All right. That's not it. Where are you? There we are. All right. Boop. Okay, here we are. Vechain, there it is right there. Here it is right here, 0.013. Today's August 6th, and it's already August 6th. Okay, so let me share with you guys that are new. When price, I draw these bases on these charts. You can see one there, one there, one there, one there. What happens is when price action breaks those bases, it'll usually swing back up. For example, on this one, it broke on November 14th of 2018. It lingered down here. Everyone probably sold. And then what did it do? It climbed out of it and it hit right there. And then it dropped again, right? So this is where I usually set my take profit right there back at the line. Sometimes it goes higher. Sometimes it doesn't, but I'd rather be safe than sorry. So I set mine at that line or just a little bit below it. Okay. So that's the dip. They always say buy the dip and then write it back up. So if I would have invested anywhere back in here, I could have wrote it back up. Okay. All right, let's keep moving here. Let me expand this a little bit so you guys can see. Just a second. Okay, here's another one. It broke that base. It swung back up. It broke that base real quick, swung back up. Here's a quick one. Here's a quick one. There's one, dropped way down and then shot back up. Here's one. Let me move that. Set it there. Shot way down, came back up. Just so you know, I'm on the one-day chart, guys. Okay, let's keep monitoring this sucker. All right. Okay, here's one. Broke that one, swung down, came back up. There's one. Okay, you're seeing more often than not, right? So you're like, yeah, I can see what you're saying now. If I would have bought somewhere, down in this range, I could have wrote it back up and set my take profit right here. I jump in. As soon as I'm in, I set my take profit and I sit back and I wait, because more often than not, it comes back around. You just have to be patient. Okay, let's keep going. There's a quick one right there. And even right over here, I can extend that. This one right here, broke that base right there, swung down, bounced around, came back up. Okay, so if this is something that you guys haven't seen before, or you've seen me before and you're appreciating this, then please look down below the video right now. There is a thumbs up icon. If you could quickly just tap it with your finger or click it with your mouse, that helps me with the YouTube algorithm. It lets me know also that you guys are appreciating what I'm offering to you. And YouTube starts to recommend my videos to other people. So that's probably how you guys found me. All right, so let me get back to it. There we go. Okay, so we're getting closer we're in the 2002 range. Remember, it's been a bear market pretty much the entire year so far, and I hope that we're starting to climb out of it. Okay, here's a base right here, coming all the way over here, okay? Here's a base right here. It broke it, it came back up. It broke this one right here, and look over here. Look at that long wait. It's a long wait. Everybody jumped out down in here, but it came back up and it hit it, guys. Here's one. It broke it. It hit it there. It broke it again, lingered down here, came up right there. It broke this one and came back up. Okay. We're almost getting to the point here. Okay. So here's one right here. It broke that, it came back up. So this is where we're at. We're climbing up. We're slowly climbing up. Now, could it go down a little bit more and then linger down here for a little bit longer? It could, but I think we're hopefully climbing up. Okay. So for me, I could jump in right now at 0.031. Remember, guys, this is not advice. It's just my opinion. It's how I trade. I'm just like you. I have no affiliation with any of these coins. I jump in, I read charts, and I jump in and I do pretty well. I'm in the red right now just because everybody's in the red right now. Look, the whole year, bam, everything's been below. This is what I see as the top right here. Okay, roughly 0.11. That's the top. So I could set my take profit from here up to here, but that could be a long time. It could take 6 months. It could take a month. It could take a year. I don't know, but I feel pretty confident based upon everything I've seen that it's going to come back up to this point. It's just a matter of sitting back and waiting. Okay. And this is more likely a quick profit for me somewhere in here if I want to get my money out and keep moving. Okay. So somewhere up at 0.044 or 0.061. It doesn't have to be this line or this line. It could be anywhere from here to here. I could even set it up in here if I want to wait a little bit longer, if I got tons of money. Okay. So let's go ahead. We'll take a quick look at this and we'll see what that calculates out to. Here we go. All right. So let me get it to where I need it to be. Boop. Okay. This is my spreadsheet. I track everything, guys. I track all my trades when I'm jumping into. I've got my trades over here at TD Ameritrade. I've got, how much in metals I'm buying. And then I also have 2% gappers where I'm trying to go after 2%, but look at what the percentage is going to be on this one that we're talking about on VET. Okay. Let's calculate it out. So what I do is I come into my spreadsheet. I put in my entry price, I put in my exit price, and then I have this already kind of pre-defaulted. I can change it if I want, but it calculates everything over here in these two boxes. Okay. So right now it's at 0.0315 roughly, and I'm going to put it to 0.044 over here. Okay. Feel free to take a photo of this page right here. Remember, do your own due diligence. This is just one component of you guys analyzing coins. Don't rely solely on this, okay? You guys, here's my little disclosure. Okay. Okay, 0.044. I'm going to put that on my exit price, 0.044, and it's going to change it all the way down. Boop. So if I buy now, and if I set my take profit for just the lower part, just right there, bing, that little jump right there, okay? This is what I can make. 40% on my money. Some of you guys have been going after 2%, 1%, 3%, and look at that, 40% of just getting into a trade, sitting and waiting, okay? Let's go up to the next one, 0.06. Let's see where that is, 0.06, roughly right there, that line right there. Let's take a look-see, 0.06. Watch what happens over in this area right here. Boop. So if I put in $200, I make 90% of my money. If I put in 500, I make 452. 1,000, I'm making 904. Can you see what I'm saying? Okay, let's go to the next one, 0.078. 0.078, boop, 148% on my money. If I put 200 in, I make 295. Let's say I'll only have, you know what? Times are tough. I only have like $75 I can play with. Let's see what that calculates out to. Boop, 110. That 75 has a better chance of potentially getting to that than sitting in your bank account earning 1% interest over the course of the entire year. Okay, let me change that back. I'll just put 200. Let's go up here to 11. Let's show me where 11 is, right there, the very top of the line. Let's see. And keep in mind, I do jump in on some of these coins and I set it to the very top when things are going good. And I sit back and I wait. And then when things are lingering for a while low, I go, ooh. So what I do is I come back into something like this and I go, if it's just lingering like this, if it's just going dee, 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 and it's just kind of lingering here for a while, and I'm hoping it's going to get up here. What I do is I just come in here and I just set my take profit anywhere kind of in that area, not here because it's a longer wait. So I try to set it somewhere in a more realistic area. So 0.11, let's take a look. 0.11, boop, 249%. So if I put 200 in, I make 498. 500 in, I make 1246. 1,000, 2,400. Okay. So if these coins continue to go up, if they're starting to move up and keep creeping up, that is great. Because if we could turn this monster around and go into a bull market, it is game on. Money is coming. Okay. If you guys want a copy of my spreadsheet where you guys can keep track of your own stuff, all you have to do is go over to my Instagram account, follow me over there, send me a DM message with your email address and say, Ryan, can you send me the spreadsheet and let me know where you want me to email it. Also, you guys, on my, hold on, I gotta wait for this to disappear. Sucker. Here's my account, YouTube. Please subscribe to the channel. It's the bottom right-hand corner of the screen you're looking at right now. There's a little red icon. If you guys could please subscribe and click the bell, choose all, so you're notified when I come up with the next video. And you guys can come in here. If you click on my username after this video is over, you'll see this. And if you click on the videos tab, you'll see my full library. And what I do is as coins start coming through and they start taking profit, I do a video, took profit, 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 took profit. Okay. So you guys can go take a look at that on your own schedule. Okay. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed Vet. Thank you for subscribing and doing one of these. That helps me out. And if you guys want to add any coins that you're stuck in or you're considering, add them down below in the comments, and I'll try to do a video for you, okay? Thanks, guys, for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.